Welcome to 1100 Laurelwood Road in Rivercrest subdivision. This North Columbus home is impeccable with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and over 3,200 square feet on the most amazingly landscaped corner lot. All on one level, this floor plan is over 3,200 square feet of well-thought design and custom details. With 3 living areas to include a keeping room just off the kitchen, this plan offers the versatility today's families need. It's perfection inside and out. This unique floor plan offers terrific space without the complication of a 2-story home. The master retreat is ideal and the ensuite bath is incredible. The lot has been ornamented with flowers and vegetation, terraced to maximize functionality, and created with nature. The back patio is private and just off the kitchen and keeping room. The yard offers a garden feel where kids can play and everyone can relax. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.